welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a plus size Dia & Co review and try on. And if you're not familiar with Dia & Co, they are a plus size subscription service where they also offer styling. And basically how it works is you can order a box of about 5 pieces and a stylist will hand select the items for you, or you can kind of customize your preferences to kind of let the stylist know what you like, what your sizes are, what your colors that you enjoy most, what style you prefer. So you kind of work in conjunction with a stylist. They also have a website where you can shop separately for the pieces, but they do offer that subscription service as well. Dia & Co was kind enough to send out some pieces for me to review and try on for you guys, and I am officially a Dia & Co ambassador, so I am like really ecstatic about that. I'm really happy. If you guys are familiar with my channel, I have been working posting YouTube videos. Previously I've done hauls from Dia & Co, and you guys know I really like their quality. They have excellent quality and they have some really cute styles. They're always bringing in new pieces, and so I picked out a couple of pieces for summer. They just recently sent it out to me. I did want to say that this video is going to be in 2 parts. This first part is going to be the main portion of the haul, and then probably by next week or the end of this week, I'm probably going to have the second part of the video up, because there was about 3 pieces in my original box that were a bit tight that I ordered a size too small, so I did exchange them for the size that actually fit. So for reference, I do wear anywhere from a 3X to a 4X and a 24 typically in pants. So that's what most of these pieces are, and I will link the website down below for Dia & Co if you want to check them out for yourself. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started, and let me show you the pieces. So this first one is actually a little out of my comfort zone. This is a jumpsuit by the brand Gilly. It is a green. Oh, it's really, really pretty. It's really stretchy. It's just, I don't typically wear jumpsuits, but this one just like called out to me. It's just perfect for like summer, super comfortable. I was just looking for something really comfortable, a little bit kind of outside of my comfort zone to try something new. So this is a really cute jumpsuit, and yeah, I just love, it's kind of like a V-neck, and it does have kind of like a tie waist on the side here. It's super stretchy fabric. It has a wider leg. The leg is not too tight, but it's not super wide, which I love because I don't really like an extremely wide leg pant, so this was perfect. And it does have pockets, so I love the fact that this has some pockets, and it's just a really comfortable piece, and I wanted to try something a little outside of my normal dresses, you know. Okay, the next piece is a pair of jeans. These are the Molly and Isadora mid-rise skinny jean. These are the Leroy mid-rise skinny jeans by Molly and Isadora. This one is in a size 26. I did size up on these just because I wanted it to be a little more comfortable in the waist. These skinny jeans have a lot of stretch. They're very stretchy. I want to say they are pretty true to size. Just a really cute skinny jean, and it has a lot of stretch in it. And I love, of all the jeans that I have, this is probably my #1 pair. These fit better than the Forever 21 jeans that I thought were my favorites. So this is my new favorite, but these are super comfortable. And yeah, I really love these jeans. I did have a top to go with these jeans in particular. You're not going to see it in this haul. You'll see it in the next one with another pair of jeans that I got. So I'm just going to try this on for try-on purposes with just like a regular black top. But these, I highly recommend. If you're looking for a good quality pair of jeans, this is it. Definitely. Okay, the next item is a bit out of my regular normal type of clothing. This is a maxi dress by East Adeline in a 3X, and this one I have not, like, it looks small, but it actually has a ton of stretch. The whole of the material in this dress is stretchy, like super stretchy. So I think this will fit fine because it stretches. I was scared when I saw it initially, but then I noticed how much stretch this actually has. And it's all the way down to like your ankle. And I love this floral print. It's just really pretty. It's like a navy blue and almost like a turquoise color. It does come with a belt. I have the belt on the sofa, but it is a tie waist that you could tie the waist. And I just feel like this is just like the perfect piece for summer. It's also like that a wrap style at the top. It's not a wrap dress, but it has that wrap style v-neck at the top that I love. And I love the fact that it's super stretchy. It's really, really pretty, you guys. So the next one, you've probably seen me in a previous video with this dress. But when I tried this dress on initially, I returned it because, I don't remember why it was that I returned it. I think it was because I bought the one that I'm wearing, which was from a previous haul. So I ended up returning this one, but this dress fit me really cute. And it's like a little black, oh my God, it's so pretty. It's like a little black, almost like a lace at the top, lace mesh. This is stretchy at the top. It's a dress, it's kind of like a skater style dress. This is by Prescott, New York in a 3X. And yeah, I just love this dress. When I tried this dress on initially, it fits so nicely that I had to get it. I had to get it. And it has like a big like flare skirt, and the material is super stretchy. I just love this dress so much, and I needed like a really good little black dress. So this is perfect for summer. And you can even like transition this into like fall eventually, because you can wear a black dress like all year pretty much. So yeah, I'm really happy with these pieces, you guys. This next one is a beautiful floral print. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted this dress yesterday. I will link my Instagram down below so you guys can find me. It's at ThatNoraChick on YT. And I posted this picture yesterday. This dress is so pretty. It is a cap sleeve. It has a zip up back. But usually with zip up dresses, I always worry that it's going to be too tight. This dress fits so good. This one is in a 24. It is super stretchy. It has it literally has a ton of stretch. Almost like a fit and flare, I want to say, because this skirt is very like stretchy, almost like a skater dress, but I would say it's more like a fit and flare type dress. And then it has like this little a tiny little keyhole here in the front, which I love that little keyhole design. This dress is so cute. It fit right above my knees. It's really comfortable. I love the print. They have this in like a green, and I also believe they have it in like a black and white. And right now, their like shop feature, if you go and shop directly to the site, they do have a lot of sales going on. I feel like almost all of these I got on sale. So from the regular price to the sale price, it was a big difference, and I'm so happy that I got it that way. So I'll go ahead and link Dia & Co down below, and let's go ahead and try this on so you guys can take a look. Make sure to subscribe so you can see the next Dia & Co video, since I'll be posting more regularly with them from now on, since I'm working with them. And also follow me on Instagram so you guys can see the actual photos of the pictures. If you're more interested in like the styling of the pieces, make sure to check that out. All right, so let's go ahead and try this on.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real?